Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AWS Lambda triggers for AI processing workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore AWS Lambda triggers for AI processing workflows, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Lambda service in the console. On the Lambda dashboard, locate the function that requires restored triggers. Click on the function name to access its configuration page. Scroll down to find the Configuration tab. In the left sidebar, select Triggers. Here, you will see a list of triggers that have been previously set up. If any triggers are missing, identify the source that you want to re-establish. For example, if you need an API gateway trigger, go to the API gateway service in the console. Locate the API associated with your Lambda function. Review the settings to ensure the integration with your Lambda function is intact. If the integration is missing, click on the Actions drop-down menu. Select Create Method and choose the HTTP method that suits your use case. In the Integration Types section, select Lambda function. Type in your Lambda function's name in the designated field. Next, deploy the API to make the changes effective. Go back to the Lambda dashboard and return to your Functions Triggers section. Click the Add Trigger button to set up any other required triggers, such as S3 or DynamoDB. Select the appropriate trigger type from the drop-down menu. Configure the specific settings and permissions required for the new trigger. Once configured, click the Add button to save the changes. Make sure to test each trigger to ensure proper functionality. You can do this by invoking the Lambda function manually or by using a test event. Monitor the execution results in the Monitoring tab to confirm that the triggers are firing correctly. To further validate your setup, check the CloudWatch logs for detailed information. By following these steps, you will successfully restore AWS Lambda triggers for your AI processing workflows. Now, you can take advantage of automated processing and scalability offered by AWS services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.